Easter is coming, and I thought it would be fun to put together some party favors or maybe just a little something to give to family or friends, maybe even to take into school for parties or church parties. So let's get started. We have 4 different ones that we're going to do today, and this is going to be fun. Look at this adorable pink and gold. The gold is like metallic, so when the light catches it, it is just so pretty. We're going to use this little bag to make our first little favor. So let's open it up. And then over here I have some green shredded, we're going to use it as grass, and I just love this green because it's a very pretty green. It's just really soft, and I love soft colors. So let's add in some more grass into our little bag. Then we're going to add in this really cute bunny, super yummy. We're going to set him right in the middle. And then we're going to add in a few milk chocolates. Okay, let's close our bag up. I'm just going to bend the top over, crease it. Let's work on this side of it first. I have these super adorable Easter labels. Look at how cute those are. I love the soft colors. I also love the fact that they are made by another small business. So I'm going to go ahead and take this label off. And I chose a big label for this one. And I'm just going to put it right in the center in the back. Now let's work on the front a little bit. I want to show you what I've chosen. I have chosen to make a little bow from this white and gold studded ribbon. It is so cute. Let me put this to the side and let's make our ribbon or our little bow. So this can be a little challenging because of how small it is. I'm used to making really big bows, and so I find making small bows a challenge, but let's see if we can go ahead and get it done. The other thing I'm going to need is a pipe cleaner. So let me get one of those. And for now, I'm just going to use a white one, something that kind of goes with it. I am right-handed, so I'm holding this ribbon in my left hand, and I have a little tail going. Then I'm going to make just a loop. I'm not going to twist it on the back. This is like a little leather kind of. So what I'm going to do is it came down this way, and I'm going to go over like that. Now, one little tip is to see if your loops are the same as, do they match up? And I don't know if you can see it here, but they don't quite match up. And I want to make this top one a little bit smaller. Let's see if that's better. I think that's better. Now you could stop there and do 2 loops, but on this one, I want to do 4 loops. So again, I never twisted it or anything. I just took it down and under. And again, I'm not going to twist it. I'm just going to bring it over. Okay, it's kind of big. Now, you know what? Let me see. Is this the right size? I do like this. I think that, yeah, there we go. Now, I tried doing this a couple different ways to see what was going to be the easiest. So, it's very easy for these to get kind of wonky. I'm going to tie it with my pipe cleaner. And the thing is you got to kind of pull this way and then really try to tie it tight. Now it got a little wonky on me. Let me see if I can fix this or if I'm going to have to redo it. Let's see. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't like it. So you know what? This is real life happening. We're just going to take it apart and redo it again. So if you don't get it on the first time, just know I don't always get it on the first time either. So let me try it again. Never twisting, just going back and forth. Let's see. Okay. Gonna get back to my pipe cleaner. I know they call them, what else they call them? Can't remember. Chanel stem, that's it. And twist it. Okay, I like this one better. And I'm gonna cut that. So get my scissors. So let's get back to our bag. We have our bag. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this to the front side of it. I have my pretty back. So now I'm gonna add it to the front. And I think what I'm gonna do is kind of put it over here. And so I need to do 2 holes, but kind of a little space between them. And I will tell you, my hole punch is, it's not, oh, okay, it did okay. I was gonna say I've used it a lot and it's not as sharp. Okay, good. So now I'm just gonna, making sure that I have my bow kind of how I want it. I am gonna put these through there. I probably should have put the holes a little bit closer together, but I think this will still work. Oh, you know what I did? I forgot one step. See, again, real life happening here, everybody. I want to put a little bit of that ribbon over my pipe cleaner so that you can't see it. So what I'm gonna do on the back is right here, I'm just gonna put a little dab of glue. Add my little piece. I'm gonna have to give it a minute to, ooh, that's hot. I'm gonna have to give it a minute to cool down and dry. Okay, it's dried and I've cut that off. And so on this side, I'm just gonna put a little dab of glue there. And that will finish off the front and it'll look so much prettier. So once that's dry, we can put it then on the bag. Okay, now that I have that on, it really finishes off the bow, and we can go ahead and put it on our bag. Now, I didn't really want mine to be straight across, but if you want it to be straight across, then you just want to put your hole straight across. But I like it kind of at an angle like that. So on the back side, what we're going to do is tie it together here, and then I'm just going to cut it as close as possible. Try to push it just a little bit to flatten it out. And then I have these really cute little flowers that are little stickers. And you know, everything that I'm going to use, I will put down in the description so you know everything that I got. But let's see, that's kind of a big one. Let's see if I can, yeah, actually just one will cover it. So we'll just take the little tab off the back and add it over that Chanel stem. So on the back, we have our super cute sticker and then a little flower. And on the front, we have our really pretty, classy bow with our gold and pink bag. So cute for Easter favors, just to let that someone know that you love them. And let's take a closer look at this. Okay, this one is really cute and fun. We're going to use a white, like a lunch bag. You could use the brown, like the craft lunch bags too. And all I'm going to do is take a pen and I'm going to make some bunny ears with it, starting at the corner. And I'm only going to do one side and then we'll fold it in half and we'll cut it. Now I've kind of found that I like my bunny ears a little bit more narrow. I think that works better for this project. So let's just, there we go. That's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to fold it in half. Take my scissors and starting at the center, just kind of going over to my point there and cutting the ear. So we have our bunny ears. And first we're going to go ahead and fill our bags. Oh, if I can get it open. So this time I'm going to put in some pink grass. So let's add some pink grass in there. All the different color combinations that you can do for Easter are just so fun. All right, so adding in our little grass. And then I'm gonna add in candy, but if you're doing this for littles, you could definitely add in, I love the chalk that I'm seeing in like egg shapes. They're super cute. I just have some Skittles I'm gonna put in here. I also saw, you know, like bubbles. There's just so many cute things that you could put in here for, you know, a little kid. And of course, we have to have our Reese's eggs. Add those in there. I'm going to kind of get it back into shape here. So what we're going to do is we're going to tie it together right here with some ribbon. So let's get the ribbon. I'm going to use this ribbon, like a light blue. I've also used like a dark blue. I'll show you that. Look at how cute that is. So let's get our ribbon. I'm just going to roughly cut how much I need because I want to do a bow. This part is a little tricky trying to, let's see if I can do it like this. Just going to make a bow in here. And it's going to kind of bunch up a little. Try to get it back into shape once we make our bow. I'm just going to cut the ends like on an angle. All right, so we're going to get our bunny back into shape. Cute, right? It's adorable. And then I am loving these big pink pom-poms, and we're going to use that as the tail. So I'm just going to use my hot glue gun, put some hot glue on there, and then stick it right here. And just stick it into place. Super easy, but really cute. I mean, this can be for adults, kids, it doesn't matter. This is super cute for anybody. So let's take a closer look at this one. Okay, if those first two were just a little bit too involved and you want something super simple but yet makes a big impact, these next two are for you. This one is going to be just a plastic bag, and we're going to put in some cookies. I find that about 3 cookies work perfectly for this. And I'm going to kind of stack them in there, one on top of each other a little bit so that they're positioned really pretty, like that. Now on this one, what I did was I put the sticker on the back. And look at this sticker. This is, these stickers are the same stickers that I had showed you before. obviously a different graphic on there, and they are from Sandy from Cute Custom Stickers, and you can customize it with your name and everything. How cute are those? I love those. Okay, so I'm going to put the link down in the description so that you have that. But this time I'm going to show you what it looks like if we put the sticker on the front. Just getting these repositioned here. Let me get my stickers. She has all different sizes too. And I'm going to put it right there. Look at how cute that is. Super simple. Again, just great to tell somebody that you're thinking about them and happy Easter. It is so impactful. Looks like you put like a lot of time and thought into it, but yet it's so simple. Let's take a look at these. Okay, this one is so cute. I have seen various versions of this, and this one by far is the cutest, and it's actually not very expensive. Super easy, less than a minute and you'll be done. So in this one, I'm going to just gonna add some Reese's. Of course, we gotta have Reese's eggs, and then I'm gonna add a few M&Ms in there. And you cinch it up and you're done. That's simple. How adorable is that? Makes a big statement as well. I hope that you've enjoyed all of these different ideas of Easter party favors, whether it be for a friend, maybe you're having a gathering, or a party at school, a party at church. I hope it's been inspirational to you. If you would you like, comment, and subscribe? It just really helps my little channel grow. Thanks for watching.